Want to download a video from YouTube? Here is how you can do it. Open your any browser, press three dot of the video which you want to download and press share. Copy this link and in new tab search crypto.com. Search it in search section. Now press Ctrl plus V and it takes some time. And here's the video. You can download whatever resolution you want, then download. After that, you are is in now this page. Press three dots and click download button, and your video is start to download. Then click open in file, and now this is your video.
We'll guide you through how to download.
And also, thanks for watching. Subscribe.